Well, I didn't want to do it, but I had to. A little too early for some people, but got the snowblower going, got the lawnmower put away. Also, getting everything prepped for winter storage. That in the Camaro, excuse the mess, we got multiple projects going on at the house here. Anyways, the Camaro and old Red are going to be tucked in this side of the garage in the winter, which means I'm going to need more room. Again, excuse this. What I'm going to do is to save a little more space, starting right here, this 6-foot section of the workbench, I'm going to end up detaching it from here, placing a couple heavy-duty hinges right here. It's going to drop down, which will give me another 2 feet of room right here to squeeze old Red in. And then right here, just so I can tuck the white truck and or old Red right here, just a little tech tip here. If you're kind of paranoid into bumping into your wall or any exposed studs like that, go to Menards, spend $2 a piece for a 6-foot section of piping insulation. Now this is 1 1/8 inch on the inside. It has a 1/2 inch wall here. It comes pre-cut, but you got to cut it the rest of the way, so it's not all the way cut. They slide right over the studs here. People usually flip them over and do them the other way, so they have twice the thickness. But I didn't want to fully attach them. Why? Because you can adjust these up and down. Now I have these middle ones here, these 5 in 3-foot sections. I had another 3-foot section left. Cut it down to 1.5 feet right here, right here. There you go.